Now we're just going to go ahead and take this guy off here. The big end goes towards this end and the little end goes right on the pipe. You just slide it on, squeeze tight, maybe give it a little bit of a twist back and forth, and then just pull. Just like that. Shut the water off before you do that though. That'd be a good idea. Okay, so that's it. Now we're just going to go ahead and clean this pipe up a little bit. Get some sandpaper. You don't have to beat this super hard. This is just 150 grit. Oops. Okay, that's nice and clean. Get your parts. Let me just rip it. Nope, I don't want to. Be good if I had everything ready. But these I really like because they don't leak. I don't have to tighten them. I don't have to use Teflon tape. Don't have to worry about it. These are just so easy to use. I like shark bites. No, I love these shark bites. I'm glad they came up with them. They're 10 times better than those compression fittings. So go ahead, get this part on there. Slide it over the top. Get that part. Oops. Don't leave any fabric in there. Align that to the hole. Twist a little bit, and then, I mean, you could adjust this up or down however you want. I'm gonna leave it facing up so I can just connect the hose for the water to the toilet. And then this guy, don't forget to cover that back up, and you're pretty much done. That's it.